Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at a common problem with a channel drain that is set in pavers. Can you see how that is eroding and sinking the pavers? What that tells us is there's a leak there, and we need to find out why there's a leak, dig this area up, and make the repair. Take a look.
Okay, so this morning we're going to go ahead and take a look at this channel drain, and you can see it's sinking down and it's basically been pulling apart. So we're going to pull it out of the ground here, just actually take it out and see what's going on with it. And it looks like the problem really is that there's no connection between here and the discharge pipe. So let's see what we can come up with here. Okay, so if we look closely at what's going on here, you can see that this is a 90 right here. This is a corrugated 90, and the pipes down inside of it, they pushed it all the way inside there. Then they put a small insert in, and then they used a catch basin insert, which they've cut and modified, set that on the top, and then the channel drain actually just set down inside of this. What's happening is it's eroding. Water's getting out through all these connections, especially down here. So we've got to make a repair to this area and make a real solid fitting so that that water doesn't erode, and then the catch basin won't pop up and down anymore. So we're going to have to dig this out, and of course they've got a really hard base of packed gravel underneath of the sand. That's why the sand stays there. Take a little bit. Hopefully we can get down through there. So Gerald's almost got this off of here. It just needs to keep pulling and twisting, and it'll come right out of there. There it goes. Excellent. So you can see what they did was they split a 90, and then they put an insert inside of it, which it's good, but it was leaking. So this water that's been going down through the catch basin, through the drop, has just been eroding and causing everything to sink down right here. So you can see how we had to put this back together. Here's the drop. We had to secure that drop with a couple of screws here on the side to make sure that it stays together, because there's a lot of pressure on this thing when the car runs over it. This really should have been set in concrete, but you can see it's set in pavers and sand, so there's definitely a lot of movement here. And we went ahead and ran PVC, 3-inch PVC down to a 3-inch 90. Small piece of PVC across and to a no-hub, and then the no-hub tightens up with these bands, and that's connecting to the corrugated pipe. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.